Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an in-depth review of the iBUYPOWER SlateMR Gaming PC. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available right now. First impressions. Straight out of the box, the iBUYPOWER SlateMR is a stunner with its sleek design and customizable RGB lighting. It gives off a premium vibe with excellent build quality and attention to detail. Performance. Now, let's talk about the real deal, performance. Powered by the Intel Core i7-13700F processor, this PC is built to handle everything from gaming to content creation. Paired with the RTX 4060 T8GB GPU, it's a beast for 1440p gaming and even dabbles in 4K for less demanding titles. In games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 2, you can expect buttery smooth frame rates with ray tracing enabled, thanks to the advanced architecture of the RTX 40 series. Memory and storage. The 16GB DDR5 RAM clocked at 5200 MHz ensures fast multitasking, even with demanding applications. Whether you're streaming, editing videos, or running multiple programs, this PC keeps up without breaking a sweat. The 1TB NVMe SSD is another win, offering lightning-fast boot times and quick load speeds for your games and software. Software and connectivity. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, which is optimized for gaming and productivity. Connectivity is also a breeze, with multiple USB ports, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth support. Verdict. Overall, the iBUYPOWER SlateMR Gaming PC strikes a perfect balance between performance, design, and price. It's ideal for gamers who want top-notch specs without building a custom rig. So, is this gaming PC worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking to dominate your gaming sessions and future-proof your setup, the SlateMR is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to check out the link below for the latest pricing and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.